Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So on this video today, I'm going to be showing you practically how to create a family successfully on the Nikilive app. So if this kind of content interests you, please stay to the end and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to tap on this place I circled here. When we tap on this place I circled, it's going to take you to this place. Then all you have to do next is to tap on this create family icon. Note you have to be either in reach level 5 or charm level 5 before you can be able to create a family. So what I just did here, I'm going to upload my avatars as I created on the tap on create family. I'm going to tap on a picture that I prefer. Okay, let me choose this one. I'm going to make use of this one as my family avatar. Then I can then input my family name, and this is my family name. I'm an agent, so you can message me in the number in the description if you want to join my agency or if you want to become an agent. So this is my family. Or if you want to join my family, just let me know. I'll send you an invite so you can join my family. So this is the information upload section, type of picture they allow for you to upload, and that's just what this place is showing you. So I've put in my name, I've put in my picture, then immediately my family is created successfully. Okay, you can see here just family 1, that's only me that is in my family right now. So I just wanted to send a message to the group. So I'm just going to first go and start inviting my agency members. Those are under my agency. I'm going to invite them. So all this place is just basically some interfaces on the app where the gift is, when you want to open a family party and all that. So I'm just basically going to go and invite those that are in my agency. Okay, so even on the family, yes, we have personal tags on the family. We have personal tags, and we also have family tags on the app. So if you do them, it's just like receiving your basic tax reward on the app. So if you do any of them, you'll be getting some reward attached to each also. If you can take a look at it, read every one of them, you can see God bless you, receive 5 lucky bucks today and all that. These are just like personal tax. And we also have a family tax, a thriving life, that's I should have up to 50 members, daily family prestige grade and 100,000 and all that. So just basically the personal tax and the family tax. So here I'm just inviting my those that are in my agency. I'm sending them the invite to join my family. If you want to join my family, just let me know. My number will be in the description and my group will also be in the description, so you can follow me. Okay, so I'm just basically adding everybody. That's just how to create a family successfully. I'm just adding. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, watch more videos on my channel. I will leave my playlist in the description also. Please do not forget to subscribe. Anything you need, message me on WhatsApp. Thank you.